in my next life. If you talk about corruption, if they can take out corruption from Nigeria, you know, the corrupt leaders from Nigeria, yes, I want to be in Nigeria. Because if you look at all these diseases that kill, tsunami, earthquake, a lot of turbulence in other countries, you don't see it in Nigeria. The hands of God is in Nigeria. God is present in Nigeria. God is the founder of Nigeria. So that is why in my next life, if they can take out the corrupt men and women in Nigeria, I will want to be in Nigeria. Thank you.
No. Why? But I'm going to go to Côte d'Ivoire or Cotonou. God forbid. This country, no good now. Me, I don't like and I for like go like somewhere I go the chill and the flesh better life. I don't be woman myself my next life. I know which you become. I'll be snake.
I'm proud to be a Nigerian, so in my next world I would like to become a Nigerian.
You believe in Nigeria?
Yes, I believe in a greater Nigeria.
On one side, I would like to be a Nigerian. On the other side, I would not like to be. Well, the reason why I said I would like to be a Nigerian is that at least the way I have passed through many things, it makes me much stronger. And the black, among all the black race, Nigeria is a very unique and significant persons, and both in talent and gift and wisdom, they are more special and very unique. And in the other way of me not accepting to be in Nigeria in my next world is that we have nothing to show off. Everything is going helter skelter. One man loots everything. One man loots what belongs to the nation, what belongs to the state, what belongs to the individual. One man siphon it for his own personal use and for him and his family.
For my next life, I will feel become Nigeria, but I go pray for connection.
You go pray for connection? So you say Nigeria will get connection?
But for Nigeria now, if you don't get connection now, you know they go anywhere. Even your life self no go help you.
Please kindly click the subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.